few of my favorite things. My favorite things are the decanter, the club chair, and the ottoman. The decanter is an antique decanter, early 19th century. It's a very unusual shade of blue. It's encrusted with flowers. It has a bacchanalian face. And our chair is a club chair. It's down-filled. Has a chenille fabric on it. The ottoman is an antique Indian piece that I outfitted with upholstery. The space is a niche in a master bedroom where the bed is not, and it's a comfortable area where a couple can sit at the end of the day.